Hey guys, so Friday night, Art and I had to very quickly hurry to get our grapevines replanted. What happened was we had grapevines here for the past couple of years, and last year they died. They did not come back this spring, so I had been wanting to get them replanted and so far had not seen them in the stores until about a month ago, and I was just distracted with other things anyway. So once I saw them, I grabbed a couple so that we could get those replaced, and we've been so busy. They have been sitting in our garage for over a month now. So I knew we had to get those replanted this weekend, and we had a super busy weekend. So Art helped me get that recorded and get them replanted Friday night. We did this after dark because we ran out of time, but I knew if we didn't do it then, it wasn't going to get done this weekend either. So I apologize for the dim lighting, but I think you can catch on to what's happening in this video. And then I will have a complete grow guide out on our website, and I will post a link in the description so that if you are trying to grow grapevines, you can check that out. I hope you enjoy the video, and remember to go the second mile today for somebody in your life and with your resources. Have a great day, everyone. Okay. So an easy trick, if you're refilling, an easy trick is to put the dirt in the pot to move it out of the way, and then use the pot to make sure that you get the hole deep enough. Okay. And then fertilizer.
Chicken manure?
Well, no, but it smells like it, huh? Mm-hmm. One thing I do want to point out at this point in the video is that I would typically loosen up the root ball before I put it in the pot. We were recording in the dark, and we desperately needed to get these grapevines planted. So I was trying to hurry, and with very limited light, I just completely forgot about that part. But I want to make sure to point that out to everyone else. Right here, you definitely should loosen up the bottom of those roots a little bit. I need to get some more of my peat moss mix because this needs to go down further. Do you think you could set that up with the light over to the other pot, and could I send you to go get some out of that wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, just grab a bucket if you can find one. Thank you, babe.
There you go.
There we go. Thank you very much, sir.
Get your fertilizer in there we want it.
Yes, I did. Yep. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and put the lid back on that thing if you want to, because it is stinky. Thank you. Hooray that we got something planted and done. I'm so far behind on everything.
A lot happened.
Yeah.